Go and update my resume and start putting out applications. That way by the time I'm like, oh, I should start making money, I've already got it lined up.
Yeah. Today's travel day. We're taxiing to the bus terminal and then we are heading to Daejeon. Believe it. What you got to say about that?
Date bayo.
Date bayo.
Date bayo.
Made it on the bus. Okay.
On this Korea trip, there were lots of common activities me and Jason like to partake in. Ping pong, screen golf, driving range, and hanging out in Hongdae. However, there was one activity we had left to try. We had arrived in Daejeon, settled in, and we were walking around during a Korean rainstorm when we stumbled across a little something that I enjoy. We played 2 games while we were waiting out the rainstorm. I managed to do pretty good, which surprised me because I don't actually play that often.
Watch magic. Magic.
These people next to us were quite interesting as well. Pretty good celebrations. I was originally just going to post the raw video of us bowling, but honestly, it's kind of boring. This is the only way to save the footage, so you're welcome. I'm gonna leave the highlights up for now.
We'll take it. We win those. A little
too straight. You gotta get a little.
It needs a little bit of pizzazz.
Yeah.
Put a little bit of fruit on that ball.
Slurpy slurp. Slurpy slurp.
We
It's
poured
like Slenderman in Korea.
Slurpy slurp. Slurpy.
Kansamida.
Kasamida. Slurpy slurp.
Last time I got one that was blue.
Ah, no, the water drop, huh?
It smells like alcohol. That's not how I like my alcohol. I think I did this just right.
That is fucking in a rush. He's late to a date.
Crushed it. I did good. Right?
Tastes good. It tastes like a margarita. Give this guy some fucking promethazine and some Sprite, yo.
Crystal blue persuasion. Are we just taking the same route back? I'm really good at mixing. I don't know why. I don't think it's that hard.
No.
You know when Google gives you some directions sometimes, you're like, where the f are you taking me?
Yeah.
That's how my walking path was. But like, so you zoom in and it was
Seems about right.
Slurpy derp.
Make a face. Wow. That was a face of courage.
That's a base of courage.
Now, it was time to play ping pong, the game of the gods. Did you know that this sport was originally played with human testicles? Don't Google that. I'm just gonna play through some of the highlights and you can watch who wins this 3-game set.
What do you have to say for yourself for the picking up 1-0?
감사합니다.
Since I won the first game, it was Jason's serve.
Loser serves. It felt so good to suck.
Somehow I was able to score 15 to Jason's 5, and at the end, Jason had a generational rally to catch up, and he almost beat me. I'm gonna time lapse this part because I'm lazy.
No, that's it. Dude, you got 2 edges in there. 17 points out. Like, good for you, but damn it, what am I supposed to do about this?
I took the second match, so now on to the third match. We started this match with the normal plan, but I'm pretty sure halfway through we just kind of started messing around, so when the final score is revealed, just take it with a grain of salt.
Elementary.
We're playing thingy.
Screen golf.
Screen golf.
It's like golf on the screen.
Yeah.
You think she's coming back?
I don't know.
We wanted to warm up, aka it was on warm up mode and we were just waiting for the golf lady to fix it to the regular game. We didn't know how. We're kind of stupid. Jason is a much better golfer than I am. He whooped my ass. We both had a solid time though, so that was cool. Because I'm extremely lazy, I'm going to time-lapse this and you get to enjoy all... Don't know how long this was, it was very long. But you get to enjoy the shortened version. If you guys want a longer version of this, I'll make sure to make a video on it, but it won't be good. This channel is just a video journal for my travels. I'm just kind of having fun recording these videos and posting them. So yeah, enjoy.
Ready.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Bogey. Good way to end it.
We are documenting. My hair's crazy. Taxi's right there.
Yay!
There's Jason.
Yay! Whoa. It was alright.
By the way, guys, we're taking a taxi to Daejeon station. We're headed to Seoul, back to the hotel that we stayed at previously in Seoul. Then we're going to Jeju tomorrow.
Video editing is like the plunger equivalent of YouTube. Like, it's like the not pretty part. Like, it's fun for us.
Yeah.
But like
It's like it's the most tedious part.
The part that I identify with is like being on camera and doing crazy stuff, not the actual editing.
But then you get like into like there's some people that are consumers that are like, oh, the editing is like so great on this. I feel like people are starting to notice editing more. Oh yeah, continuing. We're going to Jeju tomorrow. Yeah. That $25 ticket, easy. My hair looks like a fucking mushroom.
Plane ticket?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's crazy. Let's do that shit 5 times. Make it an American plane ticket right there.
American plane tickets could never.
No, I mean, when I flew out to Ricky's wedding, flashback to Ricky's wedding. Just kidding, he wasn't in there.
I wasn't there, but I think there was footage. I think Carlos sent me some.
No, my plane ticket was, I think 150 or 200. I think 250 round trip, so that's like 125 per.
Oh, that's
but
pretty
like,
good.
It's literally from Tennessee to Carolina. That's not far.
Okay, never mind.
My flight from Tennessee to Chicago round trip, I think was 350.
Yeah.
Do you believe that? And like, I booked that one out like 2 months ahead.
South Carolina to New York, I paid $1,000 for a round trip once.
Oh dear God.
Yeah, and I fucking missed it.
No.
Non-refundable. No. Worst, like most money. That's one of the worst things I've done in terms of money. Yeah.
That's tough.
Because you want to know what I did? I booked a round trip from New York to South Carolina, South Carolina to New York.
Yeah.
Flipped it.
No.
Yeah, dude, fucking rough.
You booked it all.
I booked it from South Carolina to New York and New York to South Carolina.
God, it's tough that they won't like help you out with that.
Well, I didn't get the refund ticket, so I think did the safe ticket.
That's tough.
And you want to know what I do from now on? I still don't get the safe ticket.
Yeah, me either.
It's cheap. It's cheaper not
Mine
to.
is I just read the web page like 10 times before I hit confirm on payment. Because I've made that mistake too many times.
You just gotta commit.
I have no commitment when it comes to travel. I'm like, all right, let's read this. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
But it's like, anytime you book some, I'm like, do it so many times.
Yeah.
Why don't they just call it footage, man? Like B-roll, everyone knows it's cinematic. A-roll, you sound like an a-hole.
So, I forget what A-roll is, but
Do this. You have like a...
lotion? Yeah.
No, it's like one hair. You got it. It was like a head hair on your chin.
Oh yeah. I'm saying this bag's so much lighter than it used to be. Daejeon is you.
Mine's still heavy, but it's like it doesn't feel heavy anymore. Like the first week of travel, I wanted to kill myself.
Oh yeah.
You know, for unrelated reasons.
Yeah. Yeah, not because of the cold.
Not because of the bag. No. It was everything else going on. Nah, I'm kidding.
Sold.
Yeah, they all say sold.
Okay, go front.
Shiny. I got a shiny thing.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it, man. Can you send it? Do you have Apple or Samsung?
Samsung.
Oh shit, how do we...